How to swap tokens on Uniswap wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can swap tokens on Uniswap wallet. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Uniswap application on your mobile device, and here you need to make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you will be able to see the swap button. Tap on this swap button, and once doing that, you will be taken to this page. Here you will be able to see the default selected token. You can tap on the token and choose the one that you have on your wallet. After doing that, now tap on this select token at the bottom and choose the token that you'd like to swap to. After that, now you will need to specify the amount that you'd like to swap. Tap at the left side and enter the amount. This will display the estimated amount of token you will receive. Once you are satisfied with it, tap on the review button at the bottom and you will need to check all the details including the transaction fee. You need to follow all the on-screen prompts and your transaction will be processed in blockchain. Once your transaction is successfully complete, you will be able to see the new token on your wallet. So by following these steps, you should be able to swap tokens on Uniswap wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.